Welcome back. Well, marking a historic milestone for India's aviation sector, Noida International Airport at Jewar officially commenced commercial flight operations this morning. The airport welcomed its first scheduled Indigo flight from Lucknow, ushering in a new era of air connectivity for the National Capital Region and UP. Take a look at this ground report.
The much anticipated Jewar Airport, the Noida International Airport, is now functional. From today in the morning, the first symbolic flight will take off from here, from UP, from Noida to Lucknow, where farmers who have given their land, or whose land the government has acquired, will be a part of that particular convoy. Just reporting from the Noida International Airport, and here you see now the passengers are here.
ऐसा जी वहाँ जा रहे हैं कि हमारे योगी जी ने यहाँ वहाँ की विकास की बारिश बरसा रखी है, तो उन्होंने जो बोला कि आपने किसान मजदूर है कि जो हवाई चप्पल पहनने वाले हैं उसे हवाई जहाज में घुमाएंगे। पहली फर्स्ट की फ्लाइट इतिहास में कहीं भी कई वर्ल्ड में किसी सीएम ने ऐसा ना करो जो अपने काश्तकार मजदूरों को जो हवाई जहाज में घुमाओ। मेरे पास में 35 बीघा जमीन है।
35 बीघा जमीन था, वो आपने
एयरपोर्ट के लिए थी।
I'm literally overwhelmed and I'm spellbound. I got this chance to visit Lucknow, that too via air. So it's really a big deal. There was a time when we couldn't find a single bus here. Now an international airport is going.
Again, the people who have lived here, who have seen the entire development in this entire area, and they are saying that they are quite thankful and now overwhelmed seeing this kind of development, because they have seen the times when there was not even a single bus available from this particular area to commute different areas, and now there's a new airport which is Asia's biggest and largest airport in terms of functioning as well.